Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a user form in Excel VBA that allows you to preview files. This can be extremely useful when you're working with large sets of data and need to quickly access and view PDF documents without leaving your Excel workbook. So let's get started. As you can see here, you can search any PDF file. As you can see, you can clear it from here. Select another one. Clear. You can also make a search on the web from here. So let's create this user form. So open Excel and go to Developer tab. Then choose Visual Basic for application, or just press Alt F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. Now go to Insert and choose User Form. A blank user form will appear on the screen. You can resize and customize it according to your preference. Now that we have the user form ready, we need to add controls that will allow us to preview PDF files. Let's add a web browser control and two buttons and list box. Web browser. By the way, if you don't say web browser here, you can add it from here. Right click, additional controls, then go to Microsoft web browser. Make sure to check this Microsoft web browser, then OK. All right. Now let's add two buttons and list box. Button 1 to search PDF file, and button 2 to clear. Okay, let's change the name. Click on the caption and type clear. Button 1, search. PDF. All right, now let's add a list box. All right. So next we need to write the VBA code that will enable us to preview the PDF files. Here is an example code snap you can use. So on the user form, right click here and choose your view code, or just double click, delete this, then write the code here. All right. Now it's time to test our user form. Click here. All right, as you can see, now I will search any PDF file. welcome. Click here to display it here. You can clear it again, search another one, subscribe to display it here, clear. All right, now go back to the sheet to create a button here to open the user form. All right, go to developer, insert, and choose the button here. Right click on it, properties, and change the name. Go to caption, open user form. Right, select any color you want, for example this one. Fonts, bold, user form. All right, close this. Now right click on it, view code. So here type user form, user form 1 dot show to display the user form. All right, go back to the sheet. Now disable design mode, click on the user form. Here is the result. So at the end, don't forget to save your file as macro. Name your file here, then choose Excel macro enabled workbook, then click save. All right, and there you have it. You've successfully created a user form in Excel VBA that allows you to preview PDF files. This can be a great time saver when you need to work with PDF documents while staying within your Excel environment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Until next time, happy coding!